Hi Marist Association members, it's Kate Fogarty here at Assumption. I hope you're all keeping well. Just wanted to send out a quick shout out to remind everyone to register for the National Assembly, whether you're coming in person up to Sydney. Be great to see you there. I can't wait for getting the gang back together for a nice celebration and to talk about what matters. Or whether you're coming along online. Don't forget that on June 7 we've got the first of the online sessions, so you need to sign up for that because we really need everybody's opinion so that we can make some really strong decisions about the future of our association and make sure that we just keep going from strength to strength so that more people are joining us in our mission to make Jesus known and loved. Keep well, and I'll look forward to seeing you in Sydney. If not, I'll see you online.